I'm here doing my first curly hair routine. I'm gonna be reviewing. I've never tried this product. It's the EcoStyle curling wave. It's the pink one, and it's specifically curly textures. My go-to is the olive oil, the green bottle, or the argan oil red one. So this is gonna be a first timer try. You know, I didn't even see the little plaster. I didn't even open it because I've been waiting to vlog this because Mahala keeps saying record a curly hair video, and I'm like, I'm just scared. You have to apply products when your hair is damp and that it's already drying up, so that's not a good sign. The bottom half of my hair, you can tell it's still damp, so this is when it's the best time to apply product, just because it holds it in. Just to get it easy, I do a middle part, tie one end, just grab a little section. You can grab a little bit or a little bit less than this, but it's just easier to apply products when it's little. Trying new products gets me so excited. Oh my god, this smells good. First up, it is a little damp, but I'm just gonna spray a little bit more water. And before I even apply, I detangle my hair. Even though I detangled it in the shower, sometimes it's still not fully detangled. Look, yeah. You do not want this coming out with product because that's just not good. Guys, don't be what's the word, don't be stingy with your products. Like, I know people be like, oh yeah, just add a little bit. I think that's enough. Like, I like to do a lot, especially if this is gonna be a whole day. Like, I need my curls to be looking right the whole 24 hours, you know what I'm saying? Guys, please don't be stingy towards the ends too. That's where it needs to stick on. Lather it and rake through it. As you put in the product, make sure to rake through it and release. Rake and release. And if you even want to, you can do it into smaller sections and add a little bit more. And what I do, because my hair does dry up fast, but I'll still spray it just so it really stay in there. And then after I do that, I literally scrunch. Guys, look at this. Look at the curls. You guys see this? The first time I'm using this, so my hair might like it. I think she likes it. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Sprit. 3 steps, right? Maybe 4. Part, that's one, obviously. Sprit, add that water, make sure your hair is damp. Detangle so you don't have any loose hair. Wow, my hair is, I guess I didn't detangle that well in the shower. Take that out, apply the product. Lather your hair in the product. Do not be shy, guys. See how my hair was looking and then as soon as I applied it, the curls want to start popping out? Like, what? Look at that. Go girl. Okay. Guys, me and my hair, wow. We have been, this is probably the longest relationship I've had to work on. Any girl who's been through a natural hair journey, you guys just know the struggle. Like, finding products that work for your hair type, finding good wash and go, everyday conditioners, hair masks. Like, guys, it's hard, especially for black hair, because there's not a lot of products that we can choose through. Like, you see the difference from the curly definition to this? No product. It's looking ashy, and then this is looking defined. Okay, EcoStyle, I see y'all talking about this for curly textures. Yes, it is. It sure is, because I see my curls. Everyone go listen to Pop Smoke's new album. All slaps. No cap. The difference. I just want you guys to see like the definition of my curls. like pappy. Look at it, you know. And I love my hair now just because it was a hard 8 years, you know. It was an up and down relationship, but to see it blossom into this now, it was so worth it. It was so worth it. So anyone who's trying to go natural, girls, you can do it. It's gonna be hard as hell. You're gonna want to literally shave all your head off, and that's cool. You can do that too. You can start fresh. I was too scared to do that. Guys, what's your favorite song on Pop's album? Mine is gonna be Something Special, Diana, the West Coast song, because you know I'm a West Coast girl, so you know, even though I love the East Coast. Get the ends. Okay guys, so I'm done. This is it. Definitely looks way better than what it was like 10 minutes ago. I feel like don't get me wrong, it's good. The product is good. Probably coat it one more time. Don't forget, scrunch my hair. I really do see a difference when I scrunch. I'll let this air dry. Some people like using a diffuser, and honestly, like I do too sometimes, but let me cut my ends. I'm gonna go get ready because I did not do this wash and go just to be sitting at home. So yeah, this is my hair. 40 minutes. Honestly, I like it. I don't know if I'm gonna replace it with the argan oil one or the olive oil, but it just might have to go up there. I'm gonna set it into it's gonna be part of my new collection. It made it to the shelf, so if it makes it to the shelf, it's worthy. I think one thing that I would say that I would critique is, I don't know, okay, I'm looking in the mirror, but I don't know if you can see, but the ends, I don't know, it's not as, I lathered a lot of the products into the ends. Well, it's my natural hair, my natural color. I don't want to cut it anymore because I like the wing. But that being said, I do need to trim my hair, so this is what a little side part would do. I just want you guys to see the curl patterns from all ends. But I don't know, guys, I like it. I'm not gonna lie to you, I really do like it. See all of this? Damn. Alright, y'all, I do need to cut my hair. I gotta go. Oh my god, should I do that right now? Wow, I really have to sit there and think about it. No, I gotta go. I can't do that. I feel like, sorry, I can't stop touching it. Like, I like it. But most importantly, I hope you guys liked this product, and I hope that you guys, you know, cop it. If you guys like it, cop it, and you know, let me know how it works for you guys. I don't know how you're gonna let me know. I don't know. Comment down below. So let's have an interactive relationship, you know, like let's chat to me like I chat to you. Is that good to say? I don't know. I want to say like 4 hours later. Curls are still looking defined. Look at that. I mean, it is, the ends are a little bit dry. That's just my hair. It definitely gave me the volume that I needed. Coils are definitely in. This is like the update. Yeah, this is it. I hope you guys, you know, enjoy this curly hair video, and you know, stay tuned for more.